Hello everyone, welcome back to my new tutorial. So today we are going to create a simple banner for 2026. First we will choose a font of our preference and we will write each character separately. I will start with character 2 and then apply the linear gradient. Make sure the markers are equally distributed. That means white and black are spaced evenly. After applying this, to copy the same effect to every layer, just hold Alt and then click and drag to copy the effect. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. Align the text layers. Now let's add red and black gradient to corrected to. Now add the second text word need piece. Make sure you align the text. I did not align it properly. Let's merge the layers and apply noise effect to it. Let's add iris blur to the top text layer. That's it for today. Till next time, have a good one.